Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the data analysis for CRD design. You can see here the CRD data analysis for equal number of replications or observations or plots. This design for 2 replications and 30 treatments. You can see here the character name. You can write the character name like plant height or whatever character you choose for the analysis. Let's see below that you'll get the treatments R1, R2 because this is for the equal number of replications or observation or plots. You can put here. You can just put the manual data or just paste the values here. Okay, I'll show you how to paste or copy paste. Okay, let me copy this data first. Copy, then new sheet. I'll paste here as a values. Okay, so I delete all the data. Okay, so you can see here this is the empty design. You will get this type of empty design. If you want to buy the design, you just go to the description box of this video. You will get my WhatsApp number link, so just contact me. I'll give you the price for this. If you like price, then definitely purchase from me. But before that, you should have to watch this video full, because what exactly you will get from the Excel sheet, I will explain everything in this video, so that watch continue before the buying our Excel sheet. Okay, so you can see here how to give the input your data. First you can give the manual input, like for example 200, 300. Likewise you can give the manual data. You need to only change these red color value. Don't alter any formulas or any other value, because this is the fully automatic and link sheet, so that you just need to put the red color values. If you want to modify any value as per your advisor or advisory committee, then you are able to modify any value in this Excel sheet with a real time data analysis. Okay, so this is first method to do the manual input of our data. The next is whatever data you obtained. If your data in Excel, then just go to your data, select the whole data, then right click and copy your data. Just come to the design, then select first cell, then right click, and you should have to remember one thing here. You can see here the values in paste options, so you need to only paste the values, no any other. Okay, you just choose the values, just click on it. Okay, you'll get all the data in our design. So next I will going to explain what exactly you will get from this Excel sheet. So before purchase, you must to see this video, what exactly you will get from this Excel sheet. Okay, you can see here you will get the treatment total, then treatment average for 30 treatments. So okay, then below you will get the, let me check once. Okay, below you will get the grand total. You can see here the grand total value. You know what is the grand total? Grand total is means total of 30 treatments, like R1, R2 for 30 treatments. You will get the grand total value. Very important table, that is the ANOVA table. Let me enlarge. Okay, you can see here that you will get the ANOVA table. In ANOVA table you will get the source of variation. In that you will get the treatment, error or total. You will get the degrees of freedom. You can see here they will get the degrees of freedom for treatment, then error, you called it residual also, then total. Then you will get the sum of square, mean sum of square, F calculated, F table, significance, F table for 1% and significance. In agriculture we consider 5%. If you want 1%, this is also in our design. If you want the probability values, then definitely ask me, sir, I want probable values in our design. So I will add that probability values over here with the significance. Below this you will get the correction factor. Already we used this correction factor to calculate the sum of square. We are just subtracting the correction factor. Okay. Then CV value, remember few points about the CV value. The CV value is always in percentage. This is very high CV value. So if your lab experiment, then less than 5% for CV value, and field experiment is greater than 5% and less than equal to 20%. You remember these few points about the CV. After this you will get the standard error mean, standard error difference, then CD value at 5% and CD at 1%. Please remember two things here. If your treatments are non-significant, then don't go for the calculation of CD value and post hoc analysis. Okay. So you can write in your thesis, if your treatments are non-significant, then you can just put the NA values for CD. If your treatments are significant, then you go for the calculation of CD value and post hoc data analysis. If you want any information regarding the post hoc data analysis, then definitely ask me. I'll make one video on that, how to do the post hoc data analysis. Okay. After this you will get the final thesis table. In that you can see you will get the standard error plus minus, then CD value at 5%. Okay. So below you will get the graphical data representation. This is attached with our design. So you can see here, if you want to make graph, this already we made. Just you need to change your character name as per your character. For example, plant height, you can put here plant height. You can put here the treatments, and you can put here the axis title as a plant height in inch or centimeter or meter, whatever you chosen for your analysis. Unit is very important. Okay. If any query regarding this or regarding data analysis in Excel, then definitely ask me in the comment box. Or if you want to buy this Excel sheet, then just go to the description box of this video and my WhatsApp link is there. Just contact me. If you like pricing, then definitely you purchase from us. So otherwise, no worries. And if any query regarding your research, then definitely ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.